All right, sir. We're gonna go ahead and provide you the information again as far as how you connect this. So these are the components that you're gonna receive. It has that component, one's in here, and the ozonator. All right. So the first step, basically, what you do is you're gonna get the hardware. You're gonna see that there's some clips that you're gonna just basically look into. Take a look at the installation process there of that. You're going to receive that. You're going to also receive a small hardware kit right here. This is the one we were mentioning to you now. Alright. So this is basically it right there. So the first step basically is you're going to have to get some sort of component where you can just get the hose in there. Same thing on the other one, same function. All right, that's basically it. Now the check valve is very important. See this? There's two sections here that are a bit different. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and install it. As you see it here, goes right in it. And finally, he's going to basically go ahead and clip it on it. And that's it. All right, the second line, second end is the ozonator. We're going to go ahead and use the bottom section there. Not that one. That's not the one. It will be this one. The clear hose, you're going to insert that in there. You can see here. And just clip it right back on. So that is the installation of the hose. This is the first step. That's it. Just make sure that everything's clipped on well, and that is all. The next step will be, you're going to have your water pump in the area where the check valve is. You're going to cut that piece right there. And you're going to install the PVC pipe using PVC glue around the hose and inside of the valve. Plug it in. Same thing you're going to do on the other end. Again, inside. And plug it inside the air hose, excuse me, the water hose. Next, you're going to grab the ozonator. Okay, so you're going to install it in an area, drill it in, and stay into place. That's the first step that you're going to do. Make sure it's into a location where it's properly secured. You can see we have installed this component here. All right, so the hose that you're going to get here is basically you're going to go ahead and cut it, as you see as we're doing here. All right, so the hose that we're going to use from the check valve, okay, is the one that you're going to go ahead and connect. We're going to use some PVC glue around the valve, plug it in. All right, when that's done, the next step will be around the device here, and we're going to plug it in. That is it. That's all that we need to do to get this installed. Then you're just going to power up the component with the plug. Plug it right in from the water pump, and the water pump plug to the ozonator, and the ozonator to the electrical connections in your house. All right, very well. I hope this works out for you. Bye-bye.